Welcome to the new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to insert Apple logo anywhere in the text on your iPhone. So it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but in case you didn't know it, I'm gonna show it now. So the first thing you need to do, you need to download the Apple logo itself as a small image. So what I suggest you go to emojipedia.org and look for Apple logo, or just type in Google emojipedia.org Apple logo. It's gonna throw you immediately to this website. The neat little feature that they have is a copy button here. So once you do that, you press copy and it's copied in your memory. Now, the next step is you go to settings and you go to general, and then you go to keyboard. In the keyboard, you have this option called text replacement. So basically shortcuts for many different things. I have my addresses, I have my emails, all these kind of things that can be, set so that you don't have to type long things, just, type one letter and you get something. So on the top right corner, we press plus, and here you have the phrase, okay? So the phrase is, you paste the Apple logo here. Now the shortcut, for example, I'd like to put 3 A's, okay? And you click save and you're good to go. So if I start new note, let me go here, and I press AAA, Apple logo will show up. Just click space and Apple will be there. So you can do this for any other sorts of different emojis, icons, whatever you want. But I prefer this because I have this also in my signature somewhere, so everywhere. So it's a pretty neat feature. Tell me what you think about it in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.